from your Pampa Gibos, and it's Firearm Friday.
Hold up!
What are you doing here?
I'm supposed to do the Firearms Friday. Hello, I'm Jason with your Pampa Gibos, and today is Firearms Friday. Today's firearm of the week is the Springfield Defender XD 9mm. It's on sale today for $299. Like I said before, it's a 9mm with a 15-round magazine, one in the chamber, so it's 16-round capacity. This firearm is small and compact. It's great for open carry, great for concealed carry, whichever you prefer. Father's Day weekend is this weekend. Folks, come on out, buy your special father a nice gift. $299. Thank you.